Of all the MCT oil I've tried that are organic, I like this one the best, especially because of this right here. No filter oils, 100% potency. And of course, all the good ingredients in the back. And the price is very reasonable and doesn't bother my stomach. I just add a tablespoon in the morning with my coffee and I'm good to go all day.
My pepper, and it's delicious. Anyhow, it really doesn't have much of a flavor, but the benefits are wonderful. Thank you for letting me make this review.
Love this MCT oil. I used to buy it in a powder. This is amazing stuff. I notice a difference. I put 2 tablespoons in my smoothie. You can put it in your coffee. You won't taste it. Great purchase, great product, all natural, organic. Buy it.
Organic MCT oil. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now. I'm not sure what it's supposed to do for brain health, but I hope that it works.
This is the product here. It tastes great. No aftertaste. I'll just take little shots of it sometimes, and it tastes pretty good.